Hi, I'm Kishan. Talk about six wonders of the Tamil Nadu. The first one is Madurai Meenakshi Temple. It is it has a ozone layer painting that is described about uses and importance of the ozone layer, which is painted along seven s- sev- 700 years ago. But the ozone layer is uh, discovered at 20th century at 20th century year, and this is a great thing. The next one is Nellaippar temple. It has seven columns of the um, in the temple, which if we beat that seven columns, they have seven instrumental scripts, that is Sarigama Padani. And then third one is uh, Sri Bhairava temple. It has sculpted a statue of uh, embryo development, that is 10 months of development in the womb, in the female uterus. This is also great thing that Tamil Nadu people were sculpted in the statue form. And then the fourth one is Vyasarpadi Raviswarar temple. It has a lingam. The Shiva statue is situated in the main god, worship at main god. It has the sun is fall the rise falls on three times, which is 5,000 years old. And then fifth one is Yali. It is an animal being which is lived in many years ago, like a dinosaur, which is sculpted in the all the temples in the Tamil Nadu, which is it has a ball-like fracture in the mouth, which is unable to uh, pick out the ball-like fracture in the animal, which is can ball-like structure can rotate, but it cannot pick out it. It is a great thing. The last one is Gangai Konda Gangai Konda Solapuram Koil. That Koil means temple. It has a lion like structure uh, built in built for queens for bathing. For bathing, it has a dark room inside the lion structure. Inside the dark room, uh, they were a tub for bathing for the queen. It also great thing. The another in uh, this temple is Maragata Maragakal. Maragakal means beryllium aluminum metasilicate. It is a compound which is built by a built by a king, which is uh, built by a king, which is in the door-like form, door-like form, which can absorb the heat, and the temple is cooler in the inside, like a AC. If outside is cold means uh, inside they were heat and normal temperature. Thanks. I'm proud to share that six wonders of Tamil Nadu things. Thanks.